After long-lasting speculations, the first official-looking CAD-based renders of the Sony Xperia VIII have surfaced, offering a first look at Sony's 2026 flagship and successor to the Xperia VII. This is Sony's first rear design change since the original Sony Xperia I. New Sony Xperia VIII renders reveal square camera module design. The design closely resembles the OnePlus 10 Pro. The renders show the phone in 3 shades: purple, olive green, and the usual black. The new set of renders also shows the front side of the device, with the usual sized bezels. The front-facing camera is in the top bezel, a center position punch hole cutout, maintaining an uninterrupted 6.5-inch flat display. The phone has a flat back plate with rounded edges for a better grip. The Sony Xperia VIII could bring an updated triple camera setup consisting of 48 MP sensors. We're expecting a larger main shooter alongside a new telephoto sensor in the 1/3 inch to 1/2 inch size range. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.